if you get only one sale a day for this Clickbank offer, you can make $137 per day. In this Clickbank tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to use the power of ChatGPT and absolutely free traffic to promote Clickbank offers, making hundreds of dollars per day. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to start, go to clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace for people put in their products, and you can sign up as an affiliate and promote those products for free. You don't need to spend any money. So the first step is to click on start here, go through this registration process and sign up to Clickbank. Super easy. Go through these questions and sign up. After you sign up, you need to log in. Okay, once you logged in, you will get to your dashboard, which looks like this. You got dashboard, tickets, transactions, and affiliate marketplace. This is where all the products actually exist. So you need to go to affiliate marketplace, and here you can see all the products, okay? And it's sorted on top offers, new offers, health and fitness, and different niches, right? Depend on what sort of category you're trying to promote, you can choose one of them from the top section here, okay? I'm gonna choose top offers. These are the offers that are getting crazy conversions. For example, this one is getting over 1,986 sales. It means 1,986 people actually sold this product in the last 30 days. So this product is killing it. So I'm going to select, so you can actually change it by low to high, high to low, conversion rate, gravity. And gravity is number of people who are actually selling the product. So I'm going to select gravity, okay? High to low. So you can see all the top offers that are killing it on Clickbank. So this one is the first. I'm not going to choose the first one. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and select this one. Icaria juice. So this is a product that I'm going to promote using ChatGPT and free traffic. So I'm not going to spend any money to promote this product. So let me go back here. So you can see it can say the conversion is $137, meaning for every one sale, you get $137. I think Clickbank gets about 10% of that, but still over $100, which is great. And the gravity is absolutely great. Over 500 people has sold this product in the last 30 days. So this is a product that is actually selling on Clickbank. So this is the actual product page of this product. It's called Lean Belly Juice. And all these fat loss products are doing great on Clickbank, and there are really good options to promote. So this is about weight loss product. So now I'm going to create my content around this product using ChatGPT. Okay, now we're using ChatGPT. So go to chat.openai.com, register and log in, and you should be here. Once you're here, one of the cliche methods to promote a product is to creating a review of a product using ChatGPT. And this is not what we're going to do. Okay, what we're going to do, we are going to use a content that we can use in 3 different platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Pinterest. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to get me 10 viral YouTube short titles about weight loss. Now, let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. Nice. So we have 10 viral topics that we can use for our content. So there are really cool titles like the truth about popular weight loss diet, eating clean for a month, 5-minute fat burning workout for busy people. So I think I'm going to use this one, 5-minute fat burning workout for busy people. So I'm going to copy this title. If you didn't like these titles, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 10 more, 20 more, 100 more. You never run out of topics, man. Like there's so many topics to choose from, right? This is absolutely great help to create content. So now we have the title for our video. Okay, now let's create the video. And in order to create the video, we need the script for it. And we're going to use ChatGPT again. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to get me, I think 200 words would do the job. 200 words script for a YouTube short for this title. And I'm going to copy and paste the title. And now ChatGPT will create a script for this title that I'm going to use for my YouTube short, for my Pinterest video, and for my TikTok video. Nice. So I have my script for my video, and as you can see, it starts with, "Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an amazing 5-minute fat burning workout for busy people. First up, we have high knees. Next, we have jumping jacks. And now it's time to mountain climbers, moving on to squats." And this is a proper script for this title. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a video for this script. So the first method is to use this free tool called Canva. I'll leave a link in the description below to Canva if you want to use it. So what you need to do, go to Canva, and in the search content, search for maybe TikTok, okay, YouTube Shorts. And now it gets you the TikTok templates for your video. Now, I can either create a blank TikTok video or I can use any of these TikTok videos. So I'm probably gonna use this one, okay? Now, I can edit it and click on customize the template and now create the video. So I can go to script to see what sort of videos I need. First up, we have a high knees, then jumping jacks. So for example, I can use videos for jumping jacks, okay? And now go to websites like Pexels, right? Go to Pexels. You can either use weight loss and use these videos that you can use it for your TikTok video or short video, or you can search for other keywords like jumping jacks. And now we give you the videos. Make sure you choose the video. And now it gives you the videos for jumping jacks. And what you need to do, you need to download these videos and go back to the Canva. Go back here, upload it here, and then put a voiceover if you want. You can use your own voiceover, or you can use tools like maybe Murf or other free tools to create your video. So this is method number 1, to create videos based on different keywords and create that video. So this is going to be a little bit time consuming if you want to use this method. The second method is by using AI video generators. And the tools I'm using is called Pictree. So this is a great tool because all you need to do is to copy and paste the script and it will automatically take care of everything for you. So for instance, in this case, I have this script for my video. Okay, let me just copy it. Okay, now I have copied. If it's too long for a short video, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 100 words or 50 words, okay? And it will customize it for your script. Now, I'm using 200 words for this video. Let me go back to the Pictree. I'll leave a link in the description below in Pictree, and using the link below, you also get a discounted price, which is great. Once you're here, after you registered and logged in, you should be here, okay? And here you have a couple of options: article to video, script to video, and other tools. Now, I'm going to use a script to video because I already have a script. Once you're here, click on proceed. And now all you need to do, just copy and paste the script here. And that's it. And you need to give it a name as well. So I'm going to call it 5-minute fat burning workout for busy people. This would be the name of my video. So I have a name for it and the script. And now let it create the videos for your script. Now click on proceed and it starts creating the scenes. So you also need to choose a template. So based on the content, you can choose any of these templates that you want. I am going to use probably this one, Unity. So click on any template that you want and select it. And now you need to choose the aspect ratio. Because we're going to select a video for YouTube short or TikTok, you need to select this one, okay? And now click on continue. And it starts creating the scenes for your video. Nice. So you can see it automatically generated the scenes based on the content. And now what you need to do, you need to just add the voiceover, okay? You can use your own voiceover or you can use the pre-built voiceover, okay? So you can go to the section audio and click on voiceover and select any of these voiceovers. The new voiceovers are pretty good, I would say. They do the job pretty okay. So if you want to use them, you can just select the one that you want. Let's say Liam. I'm going to select this one and click on apply. And it will automatically apply this voiceover to your video. And there's one more thing, and that is background music. So the background music, it's good to have it because it makes the video a little bit more engaging. So just go through the background musics, or you can go to genre and select the genre that you want. You want I don't know, man, like ambient, metal, whatever you want. Based on your content, you can choose the genre and then apply it and get the type of music that you want for that video. After you did it, make sure to choose audio settings and reduce it to 10 or 15 maximum. So the background music is not too loud to be distracting the actual audience. So that's pretty much it for now. If you don't want to use these voiceovers, you can go to sites like Fiverr, search for voiceovers, and you can see you have a lot of options in different languages. Select the voiceover. All you need to do is send through the actual script, and they will get you the voiceovers. And if it's a little bit too expensive for your videos, if you're trying to add hundreds of videos, you can use, if you still want to use pretty much a natural AI sound, you can go to sites like Murf. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is an AI text-to-speech tool, which does a great job. The sounds are very natural as well. So if you don't want to spend so much money, you can use this tool as well. Let's say you have your voiceover, and let's go back to our pick tree. So we have the voiceovers and the scenes, and now it's time to generate our video. Now click on generate, and then start generating the video based on your script. Okay, so now you need to download the video. I have downloaded the video, and this is my actual video right now, so I can play it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our quick and effective workout.
So it actually created this video based on the content. As you can see, it says 1 minute and 52 seconds, so I think it's a little bit too much for a short video, so you probably need to go with 100 words to make it around 1 minute to use it for YouTube Short and TikTok. Now that I have the video, it's time to go back to Clickbank, okay? So you need to choose the product that you want to promote. In this case, I'm going to use this one, Icaria Juice. To promote the product, click on promote, put in your username, just put in your name, and click on hop link to generate your unique. So I need to put in my actual username. Okay, I put in my username, click on create hop link, and now it's generating a unique link for this product. Copy the link. Okay, now you need to go to this website called tinyurl bit.ly. Just copy your link and make tinyurl to make it a little bit more readable. So this is the actual link that we're gonna promote. Okay, just copy this link, and now we have the link and the video, right? So go to TikTok, upload the video, and put the link in your bio. Go to Pinterest, upload the same video, and put the link next to your video as well as your YouTube short. And this is how you can promote Clickbank offers using 3 platforms and only 1 content. And if you want more content, go back to ChatGPT, ask for more. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for 20 more video for YouTube short topics. You know, it's giving me another 20, another 100. So you never run out of topics. There are heaps of really cool topics that you can use, like this one: 5 simple exercises to burn belly fat, 10 food that help you lose fat, that help you lose weight faster. These are like topics that people will click through and watch. Okay, once you got these topics, create a script, use Picktree, and you got your content. And this is how you can promote Clickbank offers, and all of these offers are providing over $100 in commissions. You just need 1 sale a day to make $100 per day, and that will be around $3,000 a month, man. That's absolutely crazy. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave a link to all the tools that I use in the description below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe that and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thanks for watching.